All right, good evening and welcome to Sober TV here on YouTube. Anyway, so that one seven ano kakra and the barber song this particular channel. Thank you very much for sharing our videos, for watching and the various comments. Now, your concept for the past 2 weeks, I've been talking about this right-footed defender or right back. Makan Hansen piece of Fritima. If I know maybe a chemna or bought RTU pen and our bought a team of tamale nutrient pen. And I'm saying Fusini is a hack. Na yakan Hansen P or bought kotoko matches now, Mama catcher, you're analyzing the performance. And I'm the two and himself Asante kotoko was signing. And then official Asante kotoko on very a Fusini is a hack. Edna can say kotoko right backs no signing me in a year Samuel Asamoah and if you say this well I'm a catcher or say Ogumba Asante kotoko first no the first season no Christopher Neto or Gestine Japan Samuel appear as a year the right backs now call left back and now Charles Patrick Asmani Imuru and he does the same thing obey the catcher and I said that is what the coach will do and for now no three right backs, three left backs, no, and another Benini, Amwa, Nicholas Osei and John Tedeku, three left backs, send a coach, or the two Janua, and all your center backs near four in a Hussein, also a new routine, Mohammed from out to you, now when Henry Ansu, Dawoodi Yaya, and a Sheriff Mohammed. And the four center backs or not goalkeepers, no so four. Makajisa Kotoko on Bailey Fatal Save from Park Academy on Bailey at the Amo BM 17-year-old goalkeeper on Bailey. Mekan Peter Akpa 7 Kotoko on Bailey no Bernard Suma Kotoko on Bailey no Michael Che Kotoko on Bailey no Andrew Seti Kotoko on Bailey no almost all the players that come once Kotoko on Bailey now. Moving and our Panama Modin Common Edifa Kumasi Asante kotoko a player and Wabe justified. I'm here friend Ziggy Julius Ufori na Meno Kanamwasem El Modeba put to up. Na dear Banner say the technical team was still observing on more now till Friday to decide the next way forward for AHMF and Asante kotoko. So they were observing from now till Friday. Now I'm take a decision. But from what I was told, the technical team normally extremely impressed with the performance of Ziggy. Moneba down the Kumasi Asante kotoko. A friendly game boy and the future stars. They were okay with him. So it looks like a positive that Kumasi Asante kotoko will sign. We will still be training with the team until Friday for them to decide. Now, away from that, Kumasi Asante kotoko friendly gamer Nanka Omone Bofo Ebebono a year Ukwada and Nina ye can say Ebeko a year baby I can say Sunyaneno news about the woman Rachel said that friendly game has been cancelled. And it looks like Bofo was some maybe some putting in place before the game itself will come in. No AD free of anti Kumasi Asante kotoko friendly ananka. Yeah, Bob once you go Sunan and Bofo Akusiakan Enya Ambaso. So the team will still be based in like they'll be based in Boposo from now till Saturday or na Sunday. We are expecting a friendly game on Sunday. Inti kotoko Bofo no a year you kind of saying Ukwada no Sunan no. We are expecting a friendly game on Sunday, which we are expecting in Swatremine. Say no any day possible. So I know they are going any first division club because they say we have within Kumasi Potemwa first division clubs. No more yabo for Kesiana Park Academy as second future stars and not AD Floba. So they wait and train from now till a year Sunday to play their next friendly game. Say within the period na BBS because I'm not the any see you go Sunyane. And they say so along the line, we will drop it and we will give you the news for you to know what is going on. But Ziggy the end day, will be supervised and be observed for the technical team to take any decision with his performance or as to whether they will sign him or not. Now, moving away from that, Kumasi Asante Kotoko any training on my back pay. Oman training and opa, but training area which is recovery. And then Kumasi Asante Kotoko team here. Now, Coach Ogum, the MPK, you know, I met media to and he said the focus not be no ewo a year. I kind of saying a year finishing. Also, Kotoko head defensive midfield, no goalkeeping department, medical bobo be swatcher. But defensive midfield, no goalkeeping department, it looks like numbers no opa. Makasa Kotoko sign a fatal said, but defensive midfield, Michael Che Jamana. Then you look at a year, Abrantia Freno, Andrews in Team Men, no, who would say Sheriff Mohammed Justice Blay, and Rocky Jamana, numbers or midfield power. In some cases, some monitor Henry Ounce no Brekum Chelsea no. Now Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no. 80 Brekum Chelsea team in the board the middle row. So the number 6 Kotoko okay pa. But it looks like the technical team believe we said transition from midfield to the attack. So far so they were working on communication, working on understanding and how Kotoko team will press and win the ball. Also, Ugumba first, no, Kotoko Lusuboa. First coming up, I saw Tata or not Jebo no opponent half, and send a Kotoko bit me a punish show. But they are not really seeing much of that in Kotoko's friendly. And there's something Ogum is working on it. Internet training, no, coaching yes, I join the pa. It's sending in himself, Kochina Kotoko few Kumasi, a Boposo Akusunyane number, so China they will be training our Poposo for team and friend Kumasi, Asante Kotoko. Na eno kakre flu oba me dan de chire project one say anopai na se obetini ye kwatam betu mu enti wa won na bi nhwe and can go back to my previous video and you see everything but then yes sign up to muntine kakra on say me ko honra na ko twa video no na anopai bram no kasa me ka kire o say Asante Kotoko team no eye nhyehyɛ ba akwa da on say the engineers no ombe ade fen failing omadwi park ni we ombe failing to ombe tsanya efi Kotoko akiri ho a no be aba be ku park no so no ma fail ba bia say the park na be standard be level na emu asan edu na from ambe de mu enene and no ma twiso awi nti na omo yes adwuma na some of the pictures and da ho na anwea na ba enche failing ni nyina be koso e wo da kwagya achi sports complex na aboa ama Asante Kotoko dwumadie na kwa anim so project ne de kakra woma metimi asan de ama one ese jasu maybe jasu might not be the right word but ni breso good okay jasu aran here bi akakasa say ne ntem ye ni but we ni breso is instead that anopa wie numre no break so that they can get the job done at the Amatima, your film Kumasi Asante. So that is for the project. No pay so that they can finish as early as possible. And now I catch you say, "Men come and DM and tell by 2 months you know we page no." And that's what I'm still telling you according to my source. So maybe in term cry now moment me atwa to media castle or Adakwaja Sports Complex. Chickens never. But that will probably be by Friday. Then the other chickens near the United. Ego page no so. Ewo Adakwaja Chitiano pay Mreduma and ebe koso Adakwaja Chi ane omo estate ewo failing no. Eso. Now news here one to be now already Asante Kotoko Jesse Hisense and I made it 20. Yes, this is what I was nearly forgot. Asante Kotoko ne Hisense. Na me fan to him say it will be a 1-year contract extension between Kotoko and Hisense. Any of the amendments are coming them out. Kumasi Asante Kotoko ne Hisense 1-year contract extension and a beba expected. Hisense may catch us they will continue their relationship with Kotoko, and indeed they will continue and they will extend the contract with Asante Kotoko. Any sponsorship on 7. made the air 12. Now moving on to other issues, mama transfers, mama team the friendlies, mama or ya the project, mama sponsorship. Now my mama Jesse won't come kakra. Jesse no on Friday by my catcher said he didn't come on. I'm here the 2 year name said Sir Franco Naro. I be a bone of contention and the people break and was him. He has no hand in this particular Asante kotoko Jesse kids no answer. Now clarifications kakra or have it in the amount here said getting a kit sponsor is very, very difficult. Looking at the time, I said I am seeing facilitating Emma Asante kotoko in Jesse. The 1 year contract I could compare before signing and said the truth is within this 1 year they will analyze a year the Hope brand. No? Now if they are not satisfied, they have 2 different kit sponsors or kit sponsors no will also be monitoring Kotoko to know if it's really necessary to do the right investment. Into one, Sir Franco Hunim and our council on the negotiations was done. Opinion a friend Nanewa, Nana Penkra, our contemporary affair on Saturday. You could share Kumasi Asante kotoko for our circles meeting. The two of them say this particular term, there is nothing like Sir Franco Humo. They negotiated it direct with a year, the whole brand with no middle agent there or facilitated them. So they are in to fix a problem for Kotoko. It is better to work with the whole brand than say Obi decide to say first sponsor be a new man. Now at the end of the day, Kotoko will struggle with how they will look, how they will appear, and how the branding of the club will be. And we are now again. So Jesse number on my samples are and that is the picture there, which is raising a lot of issues. Now it didn't come on in and said that and no replica Jesse and yet the chita for never pass. What the team will be wearing will be a bit different from that. And the focus is that my common and yes simple, right? And nothing you ever too much will be brave. If you are a Kotoko fan, the interest of Kotoko is what you want. Okay. Now, set team say dressing up Kotoko be repeated yesterday again was so the focus should be on Club Kotoko and the benefit Kotoko will get from the whole brand. We all understand that yes, now area near the the Kotoko got the next level, but the INC is working with a very limited time. They also not maybe our negotiations was going to take so much time. And people should understand why all these things will go on. There is no middle party, okay? And it's just a 1 year contract. After the 1 year, now I am saying enough time to really hit the ground running. Normally, there were a lot of issues when IMs need to take you over, that player salary. Now at the same time, now we should one. Not just Asante kotoko team, now maybe our players better on some year there pre-season coaching. So you sit back and look at the kind of job the IMC is doing among Kasenti and Anaya on any data. So I don't understand why Kotoko as a club, a chita for be 2 money, way 2 money. At the end of the day, it's Kotoko that surface. It's Kotoko that surface. Way 2 money, way in some way, of course, what kids even you don't hear it from opponent and can normally Kotoko Jesse Bar to Sahas for Ned to Tom. You don't hear that from them. It's the same Kotoko Nana way 2 money, we have 2 money way. And I think it's not really necessary at this particular point in time. There's a long season that awaits all of us. Season is 10 a new system, 12 players have been signed. How last season at the point now got for attendance here, how we can fix all those issues should be the primary goal. Whenever first faces our issues, attendance, the team business kakra sponsorship kakra players ni beti nyambo no ahona yin na nyam fa ya adwen ko na tabia the I don't think any yin say Kotoko be areas out to the end of their life. No. So let's just calm down and give full support to the IFC. Silver TV. Na me a watch na they are coming in the bye.